No, it must be 416.
416?
No, I think it's 834 mixed train. Can you tell me what liter is it, please, Janelle? Now you can. You can almost. It's 2951.
You can see that from here?
Yes, you can. Maybe.
Holy guacamole, you got good eyes.
It is. I can see it. It's 2951.
Oh yeah. Good eyes. Holy.
It's 834 mixed train, maybe. You were right. It's 834 mixed train.
You were right. You got good eyes, dude.
Yes, I do.
I think I should have worn my glasses.
Check your tower. Can I get a ride with the
It's 834 mixed train, actually. Without auto racks. It's or 830.
Oh, some auto racks? I wonder if they got an oil one too.
No, it's no auto. There's no auto racks. He went fast and he's gonna slow down.
Oh yeah, is he going around the corner?
That's what we did last time. It's American cars. It might have been American cars. It might have been American cars. Look. Hold on.
Do you think there's American cars on there?
Yes, there is.
Temperature 2 to 0.
Oh wait, it's hot out.
They said it. Hold on.
4 to 0.
It's American cars.
Is it? How do you know?
It might have been US. It might have been from USA. But they're not. It's Canadian.
So there's a mix of Canadian and American ones on there?
Yeah, I know. Yeah. It's CN 834 mixed train.
How can you tell what's American?
I don't know because it's like BNSF or Union Pacific.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he is on the south. Yeah, CB 8896 west, according to Mass Manor to the south.